Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Dudene again from KOFFI NOIR, and I know it's been a while since you guys seen me last year, but here we are again with another unboxing. For those of you that have been following us on this journey, again, we'd like to thank you so much for your support over the last 2 to 3 years, and now we are finally starting to gain some traction. If you are interested in purchasing any types of shoes from us, interested in checking out some of our capsule items that we're starting to develop now, or even just looking to promote the brand and whatnot, please feel free to send your inquiries to info@koffinoir.com, and then we can start to sort of ride this momentum that KOFFI NOIR is currently experiencing at the moment. But with that, really we're just here to do a quick unboxing so I can kind of talk about this client's order that just came in, and I must say you guys are going to be impressed. Boom. This is our Pierre II Chelsea Boot, and we named this one the Black Mamba. The reason for that is, 100% Python. Now, as you guys have seen on Instagram, they don't necessarily allow me to sell these shoes because it has animal products on it, of course. But if you are interested in ordering a pair of shoes from us within the exotic flavor, we're more than welcome to help accommodate that for you. The options that we have are Python, we have ostrich leather, and of course we have alligator and crocodile. A young gentleman in Michigan ordered these over Christmas break. I think it was during one of our sales. Got a good deal. These are a $600 pair of Chelsea boots right here, just off the Python alone, and he was able to get them for a really good deal because we had our end of the year sale. And I must say, I'm super impressed by the way that they've turned out. As you guys can see here, the way they dyed the Python, everything looks nice. You got this hint of red right here in the lining, which is super awesome. These are Goodyear welted and on a Cuban heel. So as you guys have seen in all my past videos, all of our shoes are Goodyear welted, especially our leather shoes. These are Goodyear welted, meaning when you buy a pair of shoes from us, you're actually buying shoes that you can wear for a long time and constantly get them resold, and boom, it's almost like you got a brand new boot. On the sole, real quick, we have rubber injections. This particular client wanted to have some traction. Of course, he's up in the Midwest where it's inclement weather and things like that, so he could use some grip. So that was super awesome. We were able to accommodate that for him. And yeah, this boot looks really, really good. I'm really excited, just in general, to see this boot, go into production. I'm for sure going to make me, I think, like 2 pairs for myself. Yeah. And then real quickly, we'll take a look at this other one. As you guys can see here, look at that. Boom. Looks real nice. And I must say the craftsmanship is A1. They never disappoint. And yeah. Wow. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this boot, you can find it on the website at koffinoir.com. Go to Boots and look up Pierre II, and then you'll see all the different versions of the Pierre that we have, and you can click on the Python, and these are available for purchase. Just some quick updates too. The KOFFI NOIR crew neck sweaters are almost complete. They should be completed within 2 to 3 weeks. Once those sweaters are completed, for those of you that pre-order them, they're going to be shipped out immediately. So you can expect a tracking number from us, a really nice discount, as well as a thank you note for your patience with us. It's really hard to do pre-orders, because people want it right now. But for us, It's very important that we provide quality items. You guys are paying premium prices. It's important that we provide premium customer service, premium products, so that it fits within the overall experience that you want to have when you are working with us at KOFFI NOIR. So just a little bit longer, 2 to 3 weeks, and boom, you should be having your crew neck sweaters. And I can't wait to see how you guys style those. Also, our KOFFI NOIR hosiery line also got launched as well back in November, December, or whatnot. And we have added 4 additional pairs of socks, over the calf socks, that you can readily find on the website as well. And yeah, I'm really excited about the socks, actually. Again, we heard your request. Everyone asking where are the socks, how you guys selling shoes and don't have socks. Now we have a whole bunch of socks, and we have more coming. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for checking out this unboxing of the Pierre II Black Mamba. And yeah, look at these. In the comment section, tell me what you guys think. What would you rate these? And then also, would you want to do it in different colorways? Give me some ideas. Also, let me know how you would actually style these boots. These are super dope. Wow. But yeah, you guys have a good one, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Us at KOFFINOIR.com. You can email us at info@KOFFINOIR.com. Also, you can find us on Instagram at info@KOFFINOIR. And yeah, if you want something, hit us up. We got you. Until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.